Hi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Great. How about yourself?
Are you going to, your workout is finished?
Yes, I don't.
You're gonna have post-workout meal?
Yes. Why not?
I want to invite you to try our chicken. This is from Fuel.
Wow.
Oh, does it smell good?
The smell is amazing.
Yeah. So this one is a chicken which has 45 grams of protein and only 12 grams of fat.
It's excellent. Honestly, I'm impressed. It's juicy. Its taste is so flavor. It's unique, amazing, delicious.
Do you make your own food at home?
Most of the time I prepare my food, but now I think I will change. I will start buy from here. This is really, its taste is amazing.
Oh.
I'm impressed because when you cook your own food, it's different. You know, you don't feel too much the taste, and you don't enjoy, let's say, 100%. But this one, I'm really impressed. This is really, it's amazing taste.
I'm so happy to hear that. I'm gonna let you enjoy your meal, and thank you for your time and effort. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I recommend. Amazing.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it.